Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of logging into your Wheel of Fortune Spin ID and checking your Spin ID status. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure you're all set to participate in the fun. Step 1. Visit the Wheel of Fortune official website. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the official Wheel of Fortune website. Look for the Spin ID login section on the home page. Step 2. Locate the Spin ID login option. Once you're on the website, find the Spin ID login option. This is typically located in the menu or can be found in the footer section of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your Spin ID credentials. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will need to enter your Spin ID and any other required information, such as your email address and password. Make sure you enter this information accurately to avoid any login issues. Step 4. Click on the Login button. After filling in your details, click on the Login button to access your account. If your login information is correct, you will be redirected to your Spin ID dashboard. Step 5. Check your Spin ID status. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can check your Spin ID status. This could be labeled as My Spin ID or something similar. Here, you'll be able to view your current status and any related information about your entries and winnings. Step 6. Log out safely. After you have checked your Spin ID status, it's important to log out of your account, especially if you are using a shared device. Look for the Logout option, usually found in the account settings or profile menu. And that's it. You've successfully logged in and checked your Spin ID status. Don't forget to keep an eye on your email for updates and chances to spin. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful tips and exciting content.